Wow, what a pleasant surprise. In this scorching summer heat, this sight is an eye to delight. You know what? This sight compels me to just let go of my feelings and take a dip in the water. And that is what just I will be doing. In our initiative to help you choose a great life, today once again we are in Solis in Kolkata. So let's see what they have in store for us. As you can see, my feeling is very well shared by others too. This is the only reason why these people have jumped in the pool, and they are almost compelling me to do the same. And I will be doing the same, as I will be going for my aqua exercise. And later on in the show, I will be going for yoga, which is the most hip thing to do among the youngsters and has become the universal mantra of today. You must be thinking what aqua exercise is all about. And just for this reason, I have with me here my aqua instructor, Rekha. Hi Rekha, this is Ruhi. Yeah, so Rekha, please brief us on what aqua exercise is all about.
Aqua exercise is to do with therapy as well as aerobics, but it is in water. The same exercises that you do, but most of them is to do with water.
Okay.
And this lovely summer.
Yeah, I bet. So why don't we have a chat sitting? Okay, fine.
Three sets of scissors. And we'll do side cycling today. Hand station. 20 counts going down. Anchor yourself up. 20 counts breathing in, breathing out. We could probably do 20 counts of arm swings. And everybody, your time starts now. Come on.
My name is Rekha Alexander. I'm basically an aqua therapy instructor, and I've done my training from an organization called FISAF, which is a Federation of International Sports Aerobics. Which is based in Singapore. I'm probably the second FISAF trained instructor in India.
Wow, that's great. And so, how long have you been instructing here?
3 years now.
3 years. That's a lot of time.
It is.
So what are we going to see today?
Well, you're going to see a mix of exercise of different ranges. What we normally do is we have a warm-up period. We have a complete cardiovascular movement period in the middle where we have intensive exercises, and then we have a relaxation period, which could be like a de-stress, or it could be meditation, or it could be just a cool-off. Today what we're doing is something called a stations, where we break our group up into different spots, and each one does a different exercise for a particular time frame. That's what you're going to be seeing. So you're going to see a different array of different exercises for different parts of the body.
So what it gives the same effect to people, say people having different body structures and people having different weight?
Like I said, it's also therapy. So you have sometimes people who come in for rehabilitation, or some who need to go in for knee surgery, come in to strengthen their knees before they go into surgery, and they come back after surgery. We've had many pregnant women who've come in and exercise because it's a safe form of exercise. And also for those who just want to basically tone up and lose weight.
Okay, that means it's kind of, you can say, therapy as well as you can have fun in the water.
Completely.
Aerobics. And this is a very common thing, like the aerobics that we see in the land, and the water is the same?
Yeah, let me give you a small example. Running on land and running in water, you burn more than 2.5 times more energy in water than you do on land.
Why is that? Why is that?
because you're working against double resistance of water. You see, air has not that much resistance, but you've got water right up in your chest. So you're working against the force of water, you're working against the center of gravity, you're working against the force of buoyancy. So you're working double time.
My God. Rekha, I can't stop myself anymore after seeing these people having loads of fun. So I'll be going for my change and I'm going to come back very soon, and you need to help me shed those extra kilos.
You're going to welcome.
Okay, fine. As you can see, I'm all set for my private session with Rekha. But before that, I would like to know, what are the benefits of this aqua aerobics?
We have a number of benefits, but the most important being water never lets you have any injuries. But if in the gym you might have a tendency to injure yourself, but the water cushions you, so you never have injury. That's why it's used for rehabilitation, also from injuries when people are recuperating, as well as when they're going into surgery, like I said. Secondly, it also helps with people who've got a heart problem or a blood pressure problem. It helps lower the blood pressure while you're in water, but it takes a little time to get used to. It's basically fun. It's meant for all types of people. You, like I said also, you know, you spend more energy in water than you do on land. So your calorie burn-up is a lot higher. So, and you have all sorts of age groups, like you saw in my previous class. There were from 16 all the way to, I had 67-year-old ladies.
Yes, absolutely
in the water.
Yes.
So now that they've gone, we can work together.
Yeah, definitely. But before getting down in the pool, I'm a bit afraid because you have so many equipments to work with. Please tell me what you're going to do in the pool with the instruments.
I'm going to show you two sets of exercise. Let's work on the arms, and we can show a couple of exercises. You can work on stomachs inside the water also. Yep. And I'll show you one more exercise that you would probably never imagine that you would do in the water, which is cycling.
Cycling?
Yeah.
Inside the water?
Yeah.
Okay. That will tone my thighs?
Totally. Actually, cycling is like what we call normally the Surya Namaskar of...
okay.
Because cycling takes care of your stomach, it takes care of your legs, it takes care of your arms and your posture and breathing.
Okay. Is it really essential to know how to swim?
It's not at all essential to know how to swim. In this pool itself, your water is up to your chest level actually. But in any other pool, wherever you do aqua therapy or aerobics around the world, you have different levels and they have exercises according to different level. Swimming is not a must.
I am no more scared as she has briefed me in what we will be actually going through. So I can get down in the water not fearing of my life because I have somebody to save me. That's Rekha. Exercise helps us activate our body. Different kinds of exercise helps us in our everyday life, like aerobics, swimming, yoga and cycling. But what happens when we combine any two of the exercise together? It means pure fun. And that is what I had in this episode of my show.